we can see that there are a bunch of these listings. If we look at a more detailed view of the listings, we can see that it contains some attributes, such as a picture, an address, a price, number of beds, number of bats, square footage, a description, and then also a creator. Now this is actually a database structure for a thing of type listing. Here on the Redfin site, we can see there are a bunch of things of type listing, and they all have the same 8 attributes, just variations of that. For example, this one has 1 bed and 1 bath, whereas this one has 3 beds and 2 baths, but they're still the same type of thing. To implement this listing data type in Bubble, we have to go to this data tab and create a new type called listing. Then we need to set up these 8 fields. One of them is going to be an address, and that is just going to be a text field. Bats, number of bats in a house, is going to be a number field, as well as beds. Description is going to be a text field. I'm going to have a picture associated with the listing, which is just going to be an image field. Let's have a price as a number field. Square footage is also commonly displayed, and that is also a number. And then we want to have a creator associated with that, but all new data types with Bubble are automatically given a creator field, so that's already there. Now, one thing I didn't previously discuss is the status of a listing. Is it available, accepting offers, pending, or sold? Now, these are 4 options that we want to have associated with any given listing. But if we were to use something like a text field, we can type in whatever we want. And that's not really the functionality we desire, because we just want to be able to choose from any of these 4 options. The way we need to do this is using option sets. I'm going to create an option set called status. An option set is a predetermined list of options that can only be altered directly from the Bubble database by the app admin. I'll show you what I mean. Right now, I have set up the option set with these 4 options, and we want to tie it to our listing. So just like we made text fields and number fields, we are going to make a status field, which is going to be of type status, which is the option set that we just created. For things that are a text field, as you saw before, I can type in whatever I want. But for status, I'm only given these 4 options. This makes it very easy to filter houses by whether they are sold or available, etc., and we'll get more into it in the next video.